Kuo Yuan Ye is a household name in Taiwan. Almost everyone in Taiwan grows up with this time-honored brand in cake and pastry making. You must remember some impressive acts about it. Kuo Yuan Ye has also long been our friendly neighbor since a museum of cake and pastry was established in Yangmei 2001. Now a great variety of tourist factories are booming in Taiwan. How is Kuo Yuan Ye distinctive from others and thus worth a visit? In fact, Kuo Yuan Ye is not only a place to savor and shop for traditional snacks of Taiwan. Recognized as the first environmental educational site among Taiwan's tourist factories, Kuo Yuan Ye has a lot more to feast on the eyes, mouth, and minds of visitors. YNBN correspondents Alice, Lisa, and Nikki are guiding you through a trip in the enchanting Yangmei branch.
How do you innovate the old stores?
Kuo Yuan Ye is a long-established pastry shop. In fact, a lot of people still view us as just selling wedding cakes. So, we innovate our old store innovation in line with the changing times. Now, there is intense competitiveness in the line of work. If we just stick to the traditional way, we can easily be eliminated from the market. We now have Western wedding cakes. To make guests not just grab and go, we also start DIY courses.
What are your best-selling products?
The best-selling products are seasonal, going with the three major festivals: Chinese New Year, Dragon Boat Festival, and Mid-Autumn Festival. Most of them are festival gifts, especially yolk pastry, which tops the chart in Taiwan.
Why do you want to start a business?
Because our founder liked to make pastries. Our brand has a history of 155 years since 1867 AD. The owner's hometown was in Changzhou, mainland China. It all started when there were no trucks, and our founder used the most traditional method of carrying his pastries with a shoulder post to the market.
Why is the name of the store called Kuo Yuan Ye?
In fact, none of our bosses from the first to fifth generations is called this name. Why do we choose Yuan and Yi? It's because our boss live in a three-section compound, where many people put couplets in the front door of their house. Yuan and Yi are the initial words of the couplets. So this is the origin of Kuo Yuan Ye.
What kind of feeling or experience do you expect your visitors to bring home from here?
In response to the changing times, we also launched a lot of DIY sessions that suit children. We hope that parents will bring their children here. The DIY items made by children are what they like. We also hope that children can learn traditions and innovations of Taiwanese pastries with their hands.
What's Kuo Yuan Ye's next step?
We hope that Kuo Yuan Ye will strive to become better known to the public, so that we will no longer be thought of as just a century-old pastry store, and our other innovations, including the green architecture, can be more recognized too.
Are you looking for a journey of Taiwanese spirits and baking culture? Kuo Yuan Ye Museum of Cake and Pastry is worth your visit. Here, you will have your heart lost in not only the aroma of traditional cuisines, but also the abundance of historical beauty.